Okay guys, in this video, I'll be giving you 2 hot bass lines for your praise. So guys, let's check out the video.
To you, the Lord our God, on our knees we bow. To you, the Lord our God, on our knees. Oh, we praise your name. We praise your name. Oh, we praise your name. To you, the Lord our God, on our knees. Yeah, yeah. To you, the Lord our God, on our knees. Oh, we praise your name. We praise your name. We praise your name. We praise your name. To you, the Lord our God, yeah, on our knees. To you, the Lord our God, yeah, on our knees. Oh, we praise your name.
Okay guys, I hope you like the video. You can give me a thumbs up if you do like the video, okay? Before we start the breakdown, if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link here or you see the link in the description or in the comment section below. Click on any of the link, okay? To take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, so grab your bass and let's begin with a tutorial. Okay, so guys, let me first break down the progression of the song. The song was played on key F, okay? And I know you guys know the song. So, we praise your name. That is your do, so, do, okay? We praise your name, your 1 and your 5, okay? I played the praise in different progression, okay? So I'll try and break the first one, the second one. It's very simple. So we praise your name. We praise your name. Okay, so it goes like this. You see, so you slide to your do. That is your root. Now to your octave. Okay. So you go note like 3 times. Bam, bam. So fa so so. That is your 4 5 5. Okay. 1 1 4 5 5. Okay. We pray your name. We pray. Okay. So it is 2 ways. You slide do do, or you can do it do mi. That is 1 and your 3. Okay. So we pray your name. We pray your name. Okay. So now we are going to the fa. So the progression on that goes like this. Da 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 da. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay, so let me break it down. So you slide fa, your root, your octave, then you do a ghost note. Okay, so then you do is it re mo, re mo, re mo, re do. Okay. You see, so when you add the 1 and the 5 progression, so we pray your name, we pray your name. So now after you've learned the groove, the first 1 groove and the second, the 4 groove, then you want to use a passing note that will help you to that 4 progression. Okay, so you can just play, you understand? So I did something like this. Okay, to my fa. You see, so you see, so it's very simple. So dun, dun, that is fa so so. Then you slide to your do do. you go slow 3 times. Do, re, mi, do, so, fa. Then you continue the groove. Okay, so I hope you got that. Okay, so now I'm going to the so. Okay, so it's very simple. You slide to your so, your root, your octave, mi, re, so. Okay, so so, mi, re, so. You see, so we've done with a 1, 4, 5 groove. Okay, so it goes like we pray your name, we pray your name to you. Fa again. You see, so learn the groove. Okay, just learn the groove and you can use it in your songs or covers. Okay, so the second one I played was very simple. So the progression on that goes like this. We praise is the normal one. So to you da 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 da. You see, the first progression is 1, 4, 5. That is do fa so, and now the second progression is re la re. That is your 2, 6, 2, and back to your do so do 1, 5, 1. Okay, so the groove is very easy. So the re will be plucked 5 times. Okay. Okay, so okay, so bam 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 bam. Sorry. Okay, so re 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 la la la. You see, so you need to rehearse with a tempo too. Okay, maybe in your song it will go slow, so but if it's this kind of song it goes fast. Okay, so you need to rehearse with your metronome too. Okay, so now to my so do. Okay, so I went it this way on my so. Okay, so it goes like this on my so. Fa so 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 mi re so. Fa so 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 mi re so. Then you slide do 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 so so. Okay, fa so 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 mi re so. Do 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 so so. Okay, there are many grooves you can give to this kind of song, but I'm just giving you guys two. I'll try and give you guys the rest. Okay, so you understand? So try and rehearse with this bass line. Okay, try and rehearse with the bass line, and I think this is what I have for you for now. I'll be posting the rests within this week. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.